Okay, so the removal of the windshield wiper motor is opposite of the installation. So this is the first step for the installation and the last step for the removal. Now, the new unit comes in the park position, so there's no need to cycle it through and turn it off to get it in the park position. It comes in the park position. So here's the linkage right here, and it goes back and forth like that, facing this way, this being on the right side of the car, this one's on the left side, driver's side of the car here. So you push that all the way down like that, pull it over here until it stops. Okay? Then the new motor goes on like that. Right like that. Turn it like that. Screw the 10mm bolts into it from behind. Like this. And get started with your fingers. Now don't stretch these threads out. Be very careful not to do that. So get them started with your fingers. And take the 10mm socket here and tighten them up like this. And you go pull that down that way and push that on there. Take the 13mm locking nut and screw that onto the shaft of the wiper motor, and 13mm wrench, tighten it down. So now this is back over here, down, and that's pretty much parallel to that there. And that should be timed with the wipers in the park or in the down position, hopefully. Okay, now the linkage and the motor assembled. Insert it into this side here. And gently pull it over here. Good. And over to this side here. And take 10mm to 4 10mm bolts. Started with the fingers. This one here. And one over here, one in the middle, two over here. Use plenty of lubricant. Lots of WD-40. Okay, get them started. Now take the speed wrench and we'll tighten up this one here. hopefully that's all. Should be grounded and everything now. Let's close the hood here. Yep, this one up here. And now that should be ready. Turn it on. So what she does here, you need to plug in that until we snap there. Okay, and that's about all there is to it. Now all you have to do is put the arms back on.